Hey there, people. You start up there, are you? Oh, we're getting some wind there. Not much. Pretty good. Go to the outside. Oh, you can't really see inside. Oh, we're at about 8 amps right now. 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 amps. She's wiggling fine, wiggling fine. Since we put the bearing, though, she gets a lot of dirty wind from those trees, so they're going to get cut down soon. But up there now, going on 2 years, people. Going on 2 years in June, so she's doing mighty fine for 2 years, so she's still producing some great amps. We're getting some wind today. You can see those tree tops there. They're moving, but they're not hard wind, but about 10, 15 miles an hour wind. Let's go inside and see what she's doing. I went down there a bit, but right now that's what she's averaging in. I saw some 15, but I guess she just went down, so. And sorry about the anemometer. As you can see, batteries are dead. I gotta change them all, so no wind. So, but we never get more than 20 miles an hour wind here, so with the amps I know there's about 8, 10, 15 miles an hour wind today. Got everything set up also. Put it in the grid if I want to. The other grids are off. Oh, this one's barely flashing. Turn it off too. There you go. No, she's off. Okay, and oh no. Well, amps. Got the amp clamp. And let's turn that inverter on. And now we're feeding the turbine directly in the grid. Got my amp cap there. Voltmeter.
Try to get it through here.
And about 12 volt. The other scale. That's just to hold it, don't worry. People are going to say, "Wow, man, this is cool there, man." No, it's just to hold my meter in place. There's the voltage going in to the grid tie. And my 2 wires, 2 pins directly in it. My amp clamp's right there. So that's the voltage. Those are the amps. With the amp clamp, 5 or 6.
Yay!
4 amps. Kids are playing. These are the watts going in still. Get a good gust there, 15. You'll see 350 easily. No problem. And the turbine's on the DC side going into the grid tie. So those are the amps. So I know now that miles per hour are probably 6 to 8 miles an hour wind. Maybe 10 now. I'll need some new batteries for this, so sometimes it goes on there, but right now it seems that the batteries are totally dead. Oh, by the way, it's 5:30 in the afternoon, so nothing's going to the batteries right now. So, and it's all going to the grid tie. And the other grids, well, I turned them off, so.
You try.
That's 102. The highest I've ever seen it was 575 when I didn't have the camera, but I will. Windy season here, so there's the amps. No, wind just died down there. You know the wind just died down. We'll take it up. Yeah, you can barely hear it in the camera though. It's going to pick up though. We're getting, like I say, we're getting 5 to 10 miles an hour wind and maybe a gust of 15. So, but since we put the bearing on there, she veers a lot in those 2 trees. Can't wait to get those cut down. But she, when we're getting good northwest wind there, so when we get that wind there, she really produces. But right now it just died down, so it's gonna go pick up. Waiting a little bit more wind this evening, so we'll see what you produce. I just wanted to show you a little thing. Those are the voltage going into the GTI again, and low wind. Nothing's going in the battery.
Okay, you try.
GTI here. Those are the amps again. So, and right now these are the watts.
Really?
And I'll show you some little update later when the look at it, kid. Show you a little update later when I get a little bit more wind, maybe this evening. Because right now the wind situation is very low. But hey, still going in the grid. That's the voltage. I wonder where the amps. Basically the same thing. Now that's to the batteries, back to the charge controller. So like always, everything is working fine. I thought maybe turn this GTI back on. There you go. Oh, there's a little gust there. Ooh. Okay. I'll get back to you later. See you later.